Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Rizel the Barbie. I am Rizel and in this video I am going to show you guys unboxing of Intelligent Tomcat. Intelligent Tomcat. Can you see that? Whoa, I love this. I have to unbox it for many years. I love this toy very much, and I found it from Chandigarh. You can find it from anywhere. It's not difficult to find this. You can find it from any toy shop, but sometimes it is so difficult to find this. You have to go to Intelligent Tomcat hunt to find this. Sometimes, but I found this so easily, and I am really excited because I need this for so many years. I love this toy. See this? I love this. So let's start unboxing. First, see. These are the informations. See, when you click the left here, she sings the songs, like there are 10 songs, so many songs, Gangnam Style, If, Inch, Got You, so many, some others. And if you click the right ear, it says stories, and it really means says anything in English, and it can't speak like Hindi or something like else. It speaks English, and if you mean like record, here you record. Mouth recording, they also said that it's record. And if you mean say in any language, speak in any language, Hindi, Japanese, French, and in any language, English also, so it could be seen in same voice and same language. I can't believe that thing. And it's when you touch his face, and here like story names, the dog and his bone, father and son, a hungry rabbit, and some more. And when you touch his cheeks, so it says, ouch, please don't hit my face. Little kids, I am going to faint. And when you mean like come closer to his mouth and speak and think, so it's being recorded in his mouth, and it's really speak that thing. Wow! I really love this feature. And when you touch his tail, he says two things. When you touch his foot, right foot, left foot, and so many other things. And it's like when you touch his any body part, he says anything. Like he says things. I mean she, because she is a girl. So let's unbox her. Oh. Take our knife. This shape is really hard to get. It's really hard to get. Oh wow, it's wow. It's in the box. I can't believe I finally get this because I am waiting. Wow. And you have to like, it says that you have you only have to use AA battery. AA battery means AA power bank. Okay. So let's put cell in this. I put battery in it. Now it's going to start. Let's see how it works.
Hi, my name is Anna.
others